Welcome to Jiangsu HYT International Trading Company Limited. We are a leading supplier of metal solutions. Established in 2015, we specialize in research, development and sales of seamless pipe and high-end alloy products. HYT can provide you with one-stop solution for metal products. Our main products include seamless steel pipe, cold-drawn or cold-rolled precision steel pipe, shaped steel pipe, welded steel pipe, all kinds of alloy steel, bearing steel, stainless steel, carbon steel, high temperature, low temperature, and corrosion-resistant steel pipe, plate, bar, profile, and products. They are widely used in the chemical industry, shipbuilding, energy, and other industries. Quality is our core competence. We are ISO 9001, 14001, 45001 certified, which makes sure our production process totally conforms to international standard. We offer more than just high-quality products. Besides, we also provide our customers with tailor-made solutions and quality products and services. In addition, we provide 24/7 customer support, pre-sales and after-sales service. Work with us, and you will win a long-term, worry-free partnership. Our long-term vision is to provide global customers with first-class, made-in-China products. More importantly, we have a stable and continuous supply chain to ensure that your business operations will not be interrupted. Thank you for your attention, and we are looking forward to building a long-term cooperation with you.